Greetings of peace and love. St. Ignatius of Loyola is the founder of the Society of Jesus. Ignatian spirituality includes finding God in all things, the spiritual exercises. Magis means more or greater. For the greater glory of God, it also serves as the motto of the Jesuits. Examine and apostolic zeal. Today we thank God for the great saint and all our Jesuit fathers throughout the world. Personally, I'm also happy and grateful to God for giving me an opportunity to be the part of this esteemed institution as a collaborator with the Jesuit fathers. May God bless us all. Thank you.